This is the most violent event in the universe, and for the first time in human history, we finally heard what happens when two black holes collide. Imagine two invisible monsters. Each one is heavier than dozens of suns. They've been chasing each other through the darkness of space for millions of years. With every orbit, they move a little faster, a little closer, until one day, in less than a single second, they release more energy than every star in the observable universe combined. Not in fire, not in light, but in something even stranger. They make the fabric of space itself shake. And for the first time in history, scientists have managed to decode a hidden signal coming from almost the edge of a black hole. This isn't science fiction. This actually happened, and what they discovered is changing the way we understand the most mysterious objects in the universe. Black holes are unlike anything else in existence. They don't shine, they don't glow, they don't reflect light. In fact, the only reason we know they exist is because of what they do to everything around them. Their gravity is so overwhelming that even light cannot escape once it crosses a boundary known as the event horizon. That makes black holes completely invisible. But sometimes, two black holes become trapped in a cosmic dance. Perhaps they were born together from two massive stars, or perhaps galaxies collided, bringing them into the same gravitational embrace. Whatever the reason, once gravity locks them together, there is no escape. For millions, sometimes billions, of years, the two black holes orbit each other. At first, the motion is slow. One orbit might take days, then hours, then minutes. Every orbit steals a tiny bit of energy. Where does that energy go? It doesn't disappear. Instead, it is carried away as gravitational waves, tiny ripples spreading through space-time itself. As more energy leaves the system, the black holes spiral closer together. Their speed increases, hundreds of kilometers per second, thousands. Eventually, a significant fraction of the speed of light. The closer they get, the more violent the dance becomes. By the final seconds, they are circling each other hundreds of times every second. The universe is counting down. Then, it happens. The event horizons touch, but unlike two planets crashing together, there is no explosion of rock, no fireball, no shockwave racing through air, because there is no air. Instead, space itself erupts. The fabric of space-time stretches, compresses, and sends enormous gravitational waves racing across the universe. For one brief instant, this collision becomes the most energetic event anywhere in the observable universe. The newly formed black hole shakes violently before settling into its final shape. Scientists call this the ringdown. Like a bell struck with unimaginable force, the black hole vibrates. Those vibrations travel across billions of light years. Eventually, some of them reach Earth. You may have heard people say, "No one can hear you scream in space." That's absolutely true. Sound needs air. Space is almost completely empty, so black holes don't make sound in the traditional sense. What they create instead are gravitational waves. These are ripples in space-time itself. Imagine dropping a stone into a perfectly still lake. The ripples spread outward. Now, imagine replacing the lake with the entire universe. That's what happens when black holes collide. These waves pass through stars, galaxies, planets, even your own body, but they're so incredibly tiny, you never notice them, until scientists built one of the most sensitive instruments ever created, the Laser Interferometer. Gravitational Wave Observatory, better known as LIGO, uses laser beams traveling through vacuum tubes several kilometers long. When a gravitational wave passes Earth, it stretches space in one direction and squeezes it in another. The change is unbelievably small, thousands of times smaller than the width of a proton. Yet LIGO can detect it. In 2015, humanity heard gravitational waves for the first time. It was one of the greatest scientific discoveries of the century, but in 2025, something even more extraordinary arrived. A signal known as GW250114, the loudest black hole collision ever detected. Nearly 3 times stronger than the very first event. Scientists knew this signal was special, but they had no idea it contained a hidden secret. Most scientists focused on the strongest part of the gravitational wave signal, but researchers developed a new way to examine an overlooked component hidden inside it, a tiny feature called direct waves. These waves originate astonishingly close to the event horizon itself, closer than researchers had ever been able to study before. Hidden inside those waves was information about the newborn black hole, not just its mass, but how fast its event horizon was spinning, and how intense gravity had become at its very edge. For the first time, scientists weren't simply detecting a black hole. They were measuring properties from almost the very boundary where nothing can escape. The event horizon isn't a solid surface. It's a point of no return. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can never come back. Near this boundary, Einstein's theory of general relativity predicts gravity becomes unimaginably powerful. Space bends, time slows dramatically, and if the black hole spins, it drags space-time itself around with it. This phenomenon is called frame dragging. Imagine placing a spoon into thick honey and spinning it. Everything nearby begins to rotate. A spinning black hole does something similar. Except instead of honey, it twists space and time. Near the event horizon, nothing can remain perfectly still. Everything is forced into motion. Scientists have now begun measuring this effect using gravitational waves alone. This isn't just another black hole discovery. It's an entirely new way of studying the universe. For decades, astronomers relied almost entirely on light, visible light, radio waves, infrared, X-rays. But black holes hide from light. Gravitational waves change that. They allow us to explore places that telescopes can never see. They could eventually help answer some of the greatest mysteries in physics. What happens inside a black hole? How does gravity behave under the most extreme conditions imaginable? Can Einstein's theory survive these incredible tests? Or will it reveal cracks that lead us toward an even deeper understanding of reality? These questions remain unanswered. But now, for the first time, we have a way to investigate them. Somewhere, billions of light years away, 2 black holes are colliding right now. Their gravitational whispers have already begun their journey across the universe. Perhaps they won't reach Earth for billions of years. Perhaps they will reveal secrets we've never imagined. Every new detection is another message written into the fabric of space-time itself. Every collision becomes another chapter in the story of our universe. For centuries, the event horizon represented the ultimate limit of human knowledge, a place forever beyond observation. But today, humanity has taken one small step closer. Not by seeing a black hole, not by touching it, but by listening to the ripples it leaves behind. The universe has been speaking for billions of years. Only now are we finally learning how to listen.